Unlock your imagination and transform your wild ideas into captivating visual stories that will enthrall audiences worldwide. First, let's talk story development. This isn't just about plot. It's about building a world. Brainstorm your core concept, outline your narrative arc with clear beginning, middle, and end, and start defining your characters' motivations. Next, panel layout. Think of each panel as a snapshot in time. Plan your flow to guide the reader's eye, varying panel sizes and shapes to emphasize emotional beats or action sequences. Even a rough thumbnail sketch helps map out your visual storytelling. Now for character design, give your characters unique visual identities that reflect their personalities and roles in the story. Think about their silhouettes, their clothing, and their signature expressions. This is where they truly come alive. Digital coloring can dramatically affect the mood and tone. Start with flat colors for clean lines, then layer in shadows and highlights to add depth and dimension. Experiment with different blending modes to achieve various artistic effects. Finally, bringing your comic to life for online audiences. Export your pages in high resolution, ensuring clear text and crisp artwork. Platforms like Webtoons, Tubus, or your own website are perfect for sharing your creation. With these techniques, you're ready to create your own digital comic masterpiece. Start storytelling today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more digital art tips.